What's up guys, this is me and my Irish friend filming a video about painting my Lada 2107. Just so y'all know, this is a warning, we are not good at talking in English. Mr. Sabiedriskā transporta nozare is going to paint this vehicle today. This is Lada 2107 or 05. This is my Irish friend, and we are right now located on the side of between Russia, Belarus, Latvia, Lithuania, and something like that. This is Lada, and this is red paint, and this is Renars, my Irish friend. Gang. As you can see now, we're sanding the vehicle and prepping the surface, so we can go ahead and paint it red like it used to be. To paint with a spray can for his first time in his life, so don't mind his hand movement being a bit off and him overall overspraying some parts of the roof, but he's trying his best, you know. Now you can see me taping over the lights because we decided to not paint it blue like the rest of the back, but actually paint it red so it looks like a car from behind. We already masked the lights off, prepped the surface, cleaned it with everything, and also taped off all the other things we don't want to paint, like the emergency hook and other stuff. So now you can see me already painting it blue.
Kas ir tas? Viņš vai man vidējo pirksti tik vienkāršāk?
My Irish friend took some more cinematic videos, and also there was a funny moment of an apple falling on the roof and scaring me. So, yeah, have fun watching that. We finished painting the rear with the blue paint, and now my Irish friend is unwrapping the part where we painted the red color and also the blue. All the lights and everything is now getting unwrapped because the evening is coming and we have to cover up the car in case of rain coming, which did come, as I know now. The blue paint came out absolutely amazing. It looks really nice on the car, cover ups all the problems, and now you will see the next day as we try to turn on the car. Renar just peed. In this documentary, Renar just had a piss.
So.
This day we didn't film as much as on the first day, but overall we moved the vehicle because we couldn't paint it there by the woods and bushes because we were scared of scratching the paint. Also, this side was sunnier when we started painting, and yeah, my Irish friend was wrapping the car again with tape and newspapers because, well, we are sort of on a budget, you know, because that car is cheap and we don't want to spend a lot of money on it. And yeah, now we're painting the right side of it and the front with the blue. So we're gonna be finishing overall all of it. All the blue color will be finally finished. Now all that will be left is just painting the red color and finishing off with the white color, but that will be in a different video. In this shot, you can see that the beautiful Lada 2107 or '05 is finally finished. It looks absolutely stunning to us, at least. It looks absolutely stunning to us. And I hope to all of y'all watching, all of my free subscribers, I hope you love this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.